Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on Xreal Beam Pro. Change the wallpaper, press and hold on your home screen, then tap on wallpapers, and now you can either use photos or wallpaper in style. I'm gonna choose wallpaper in style, and here you can tap on change wallpaper and either choose on device wallpapers or click on my photos and choose a wallpaper from photos. You can see how it looks on home screen and on lock screen. You can adjust it, move it, pinch it to zoom it in or zoom out, and then click here, and you can set it to either lock screen or home and lock screens. I'm gonna set it to lock screen, and now on home screen it's unchanged, but on lock screen here is the new wallpaper. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.